Usually I've seen all the entrepreneurs get very disappointed when they don't come up with a great idea, and many of them feel very elated if they come with a very great idea. See, idea means nothing to the business. Idea is just 1% of your venture or even lesser than that. What's important is what's key step is execution. So always try to focus more on execution of your step. See, if you are any aspiring entrepreneur, you must be watching for opportunities and innovation around you, and you probably might come up with bunch of ideas. So it's very important to filter those ideas and validate your idea prior to execution. So filtering your idea is a 3-step framework. Firstly, you need to look for a startup which excites you, which is close to you. For example, if you are a traveler who loves traveling, you should watch for a startup involved traveling, for example travel vlogging or something. So in this way you will be able to funnel out few ideas in the very first step, and the second step that comes into picture is the 2x2 matrix. See, it is a very simple matrix that is used to know market feasibility of your idea. In this 2x2 matrix, on row side we write market and personnel, and on the column side we write feasibility and value. Apart from this matrix, we also need to look for, is your startup technically feasible? For instance, if someone want to manufacture a washing machine which can iron as well. See, everyone wants this product. This product is having market feasibility. Everyone is willing to buy such a washing machine, but this product is technically not feasible, right? So this 2x2 matrix, by filling this 2x2 matrix, you will be able to know market feasibility, the price your customers are willing to pay. Apart from this, in third quadrant, you will be able to know all the finances. Do you have that investment? Do you have that money to invest to grow your business? And the fourth column tells you, is this business close to your heart? Is this what excites you? Is this what you can do for next of your life, right? The third and the very crucial step is customer validation. See, you have validated your idea on your behalf, but you need market validation as well, na? So next step comes customer validation. For customer validation, there is a very nifty tool that is called Lean Canvas that we create a structured business plan of your idea. So in this we write all the key metrics, our problem, the problem we are solving. See, I just want to clarify that creating a business plan is not that important. For example, INC 500, only 60% out of them have created business plan for them in the very beginning. Only 4% of the INC 500 had done market research prior to execution. Creating a business plan is not at all necessary. But I'll suggest you to create a business plan for yourself. It will help you structure your idea well. Starting Lean Canvas, the first Lean Canvas that you will make is just an intuition. You need to work more upon it. So for more, you need to go around the potential customers that you have, that you think are the potential customers for your business. Go ask for their feedback, for their opinion, for their inputs, and try to inculcate those feedback into your business plan, so as to get a market driven canvas will help you in execution. So my suggestion for all the aspiring entrepreneurs will be to reach as much as potential customers you can go, so as to take their feedback about your product. See, your product can totally change after customer feedback what you imagined earlier. So it is a very crucial step, and various entrepreneurs miss this.